A commercial cleaning business focused on the real estate industry plays a vital yet often invisible role in the property cycle. It exists in that critical moment between a property being vacated and being presented to potential buyers or tenants. Whether it's preparing a residential home for an open house, refreshing a rental unit between occupants, or detailing a newly built property before listing, the value of expert cleaning cannot be overstated. In this video, we are going to talk about commercial cleaning for real estate. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. In a market where first impressions often make or break deals, spotless floors, streak-free windows, and a fresh scent can subtly but powerfully influence perception and help close transactions faster. Real estate professionals, property managers, and developers rely heavily on cleaning partners who are not only thorough but also reliable, flexible, and responsive. Building a commercial cleaning service tailored to real estate begins with understanding the unique demands of the industry. Unlike routine janitorial contracts, real estate cleaning often operates on a tight and unpredictable schedule. A property might need to be cleaned on short notice to meet a showing deadline or refreshed multiple times between viewings. The business must be structured for agility, ready to deploy cleaning crews quickly, sometimes outside regular business hours, and capable of handling anything from light touch-ups to full-scale post-renovation or post-construction deep cleanse. This flexibility, when paired with quality work, becomes a competitive advantage. A high-performing cleaning service for real estate doesn't simply tidy a space, it stages it for success. Cleaners must think like marketers, paying attention to visual details that matter in photos and walkthroughs. This means wiping down baseboards, removing smudges from light switches, polishing appliances, and ensuring bathrooms sparkle as if never used. Dust on ceiling fans, fingerprints on glass, and grime in kitchen crevices can subconsciously signal neglect, even in an otherwise well-maintained property. In contrast, a home that gleams with cleanliness communicates readiness, care, and professionalism, qualities that transfer directly to how buyers or tenants perceive the seller, agent, or landlord. Specializing in this niche requires investing in the right tools and products. Eco-friendly solutions are increasingly important to clients, especially in residential spaces where families or pets may be present. High-efficiency vacuums, microfiber cloths, steam cleaners, and low-odor disinfectants help ensure thorough cleaning without leaving behind harsh chemical smells or residues. The team should be trained not just in basic cleaning techniques, but also in the nuances of various surfaces. Knowing how to treat hardwood floors, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and delicate fixtures is essential to avoid accidental damage that could cost the business more than the job itself. Reputation is everything in the real estate world, and cleaning businesses that serve it must operate with exceptional professionalism. Punctuality, discretion, and presentation are all part of the service. Cleaners who arrive in uniform, with branded vehicles and respectful demeanor, instantly communicate reliability to both the client and any occupants or agents present. Many cleaners work in vacant properties, but when tenants or owners are still around, respectful conduct and quiet efficiency are key to maintaining good relationships. Trust must be earned every day, and that includes respecting client property, securing keys or lockbox codes, and leaving no trace of their presence aside from a spotless space. Marketing a commercial cleaning service to real estate professionals involves building strategic relationships as much as generating leads. Real estate agents, brokers, property managers, and even home stagers all rely on cleaning services regularly. Establishing personal connections with these professionals, attending local real estate events, joining networking groups, and offering first-time discounts can open doors. Once a business delivers high-quality service even once, word of mouth begins to spread. Widens talk, and referrals carry immense weight in this industry. Reliability, above all, is what keeps these partnerships strong. And agents want to know they can call on their cleaning provider at the last minute and still expect flawless results. Online visibility also plays a role. A sleek, informative website that outlines the services offered, move-in/move-out cleans, post-renovation cleaning, open house prep, and deep cleaning helps set expectations and allows busy agents or landlords to book with confidence. Client testimonials, especially from real estate professionals, build credibility. Photos of past work, before and after shots, and a clear booking process with transparent pricing all contribute to client trust. A presence on platforms like Google Business Profile, Yelp, and Thumbtack, combined with positive reviews, improves discoverability when agents search for local cleaning services under pressure. Real estate cleaning also presents opportunities for recurring business. Property managers with large rental portfolios need consistent turnover services. Developers working on multi-unit buildings require post-construction cleaning at various stages. Airbnb hosts, short-term rental managers, and even REO property specialists handling foreclosures and bank-owned homes need regular cleaning solutions. These relationships can evolve into long-term contracts, providing steady revenue for the business and simplifying scheduling. In many of these cases, the cleaner is the last professional in the property before it's turned over to the next party, making their work crucial to client satisfaction. Operationally, the business must be built for speed and scalability. This means having trained teams that can be dispatched efficiently, a scheduling system that accommodates same-day requests, and a clear communication process to confirm job details and timing. Many cleaning businesses invest in booking software or CRM platforms to track jobs, send reminders, and keep client notes organized. Being able to reference preferences, alarm codes, pet policies, or specific products required by certain clients improves customer service and reduces friction. Small touches like leaving a checklist of completed tasks or a thank you note can go a long way in building loyalty. Cleaners working in real estate need to be detail-oriented, efficient, and able to work unsupervised. Background checks, training programs, and clearly defined protocols help ensure quality and consistency. Even in a labor-intensive business, the people delivering the service are the brand. When clients trust the individuals entering their properties, the company builds more than just business. It builds a reputation. Offering fair pay, growth opportunities, and a positive team culture helps attract and retain top talent in a competitive labor market. Pricing strategies should reflect both the scope and urgency of the work. A standard move-out cleaning might be priced per square foot, while emergency cleanups, hoarder situations, or post-construction cleans require higher rates due to the time and labor involved. Transparency with pricing avoids awkward conversations and builds trust. Many companies offer flat-rate packages for common needs: studio apartments, 3-bed, 2-bath homes, furnished rentals, or luxury condos, while keeping flexibility for custom quotes. Offering package deals to real estate offices or landlords who provide volume business creates loyalty and predictable revenue. As the business grows, branding becomes more important. A commercial cleaning service targeting real estate should position itself not just as a cleaning company, but as a partner in property presentation. Messaging should highlight how clean homes sell faster, rent quicker, and photograph better. Case studies or testimonials that link cleaning services directly to faster transactions or higher selling prices provide proof of value. Being seen as an extension of the agent's or landlord's team elevates the company from vendor to essential collaborator. I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.